Good morning, children. Today we shall see surface area. Now, what do you mean by surface area? Surface area is the area of the surface. Suppose I have a box. Now, what is the surface area? Whatever you see on the surface, area of that surface. This is called as surface area. Today we are going to see the surface area of a cuboid and a cube. Now we have seen the area of a square, rectangle. There were two dimensions that we were learning. Now cuboid and cube, they are three dimension objects. We can see that they are three dimension. We have three dimension objects. They are known as cuboid and cube. We have a cube and a cuboid. So let us see first about cuboid. Okay, now in a cuboid, how many surfaces it has? Suppose I name this as 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then behind you have 6. So a cuboid has 6 surfaces. Okay, now if you look at it, opposite surfaces are same. This is in the form of a rectangle. The same way you will see behind also. If you look at this, and the opposite of it also is same. If you look at this, the opposite also will be same. Okay. For a cuboid, every surface is in the form of a rectangle. You can see that this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This also is a rectangle. So for a cuboid, how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. Each face is in the shape of a rectangle. Opposite sides are same. This and this are same. This and this are same. This and this are same. Now what do you mean the surface area of a cuboid? I said when you speak of surface area means area of the surface. Now we are talking about the surface area of the cuboid. Now when you look at the cuboid, this cuboid has 6 surfaces. So you have to find the entire surface area. That is the area of all the surfaces. Now what is the formula for the surface area of a cuboid? The surface area of a cuboid is equal to bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, now what is L, B and H? If you look at it, this is the length with the longer side. Then you have this as breadth and this is the height. This is the height. Length, breadth, height. These are for a cuboid. Okay, suppose this is clear to everyone. I repeat, we have a cuboid over here. How many faces it has? 6 faces. 1 behind. 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Opposite faces are same. Each face is in the shape of a rectangle. Okay. Now when we talk about surface area, what do you mean by surface area? Area of all the surfaces. That is area of all 6 surfaces. Now for that area of a cuboid, we have a formula that is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH. You can see that each one is coming twice over there and inside the bracket the operation is plus. Please remember. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Please be sure with this formula and learn it in same manner. 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Please write it in your formula section. Surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Okay. Now we go for a cube. Again, cube also is a 3 dimension. How many faces it has? 1, behind you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, cube has 6 faces. Each face is a square. Each face is a square. And for a square, you know that length of every side is equal. Suppose I say that this side is given to you as L. The length of this is L. Means every side it is of L. Equal. Okay. Now, how do I find the surface area of a cube? Now, since we have 6 squares, find the area of one square, multiply by 6. That will be the surface area of a cube. So, surface area of a cube is equal to, we have 6 faces. So, 6 into one face area is side square, that is L square. So, we have 6L square. Again, these are areas, so their unit is in square, either centimeter, meter or kilometer, depending upon whatever is given to us. Okay. I repeat, we have learned a number of formulas over here. We have learned perimeter of a square, 4a, perimeter of a rectangle, 2 bracket L plus B, area of a square, a square, that is side square, area of a rectangle, length into breadth, area of a right angle triangle, half into product of the sides forming a right angle, area of a triangle equal to half into base into height, surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH, surface area of a cube equal to 6L square. Suppose you can see the difference between a cuboid and a cube. Okay. Cube, it has surface as a square. Cuboid has a surface as a rectangle. For a cube, all the faces are same. How many faces? Cube also has 6 faces. Cuboid also has 6 faces. For a cube, all the faces are of square. For a cuboid, opposite faces are same. Therefore, you for a cube find the area of one face, multiply by 6. That is 6L square. Now we shall solve some problems based on it. Take the next practice set. Practice set 47, question number 1. Find the total surface area cubes of the following sides. So whatever is given to you over there is L. How do you solve? Put question number 1, sub question. Okay. First, you write over there. What is the formula? 6L square. So you write what is given to you. L is equal to, first one, 3 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, area, okay, surface area, not area, okay. Surface area equal to 6L square, that is equal to 6 into, how much is here L? 3 square, that is equal to 6 into, unit is important, that is centimeter square. And then similarly you can solve all the others over there. You have only substitute it as L. Please take care of decimals. I'll just show you the last one over there. That is the 5th one. L is given to you as 5.5 meter. Therefore, surface area. Surface area is equal to 6L square, that is equal to 6 into 5.5 square, that is equal to 6 into. First you find out how much is 5.5 square. You multiply 55 into 55 and when you place the decimal, place 2 places from the left side. Okay. That I have already shown you. So you multiply 55 into 55, check out. Okay, just once again I will show you that. 5.5 square means what? Multiply 55 into 55. So what are you getting over here? 5. 3025. 3025. Now after decimal, how many places are there? 2 places. So the answer will be 30.25. That you multiply with 6. And then you write so many meter squares. Now question number 2. Find the total surface area of the cuboids of length, breadth, height as given below. I shall show you the fourth one over there. Look at the fourth one. Question number 2, sub question 4. Okay. The biggest one is length, that is 8 meter. Then you have breadth, that is 5 meter. Then you have height, that is 3.5 meter. Now what is the formula? Surface area equal to 2 times bracket LB plus BH plus LH. That is equal to 2 times bracket. What is your length? 8 into 5 plus 5 into 3.5 plus 8 into 3.5. Then now you do the multiplications first. Okay, that is equal to 2 bracket 8 into 5 40 plus 5 into 3.5 17.5 plus 8 into 3.5 28.0 you will be getting. Okay, now 2 bracket, first you add all this, take care of the decimal. After the decimal you have only one digit over there, that is 0.5. okay, so you will be getting 85.5. Once you get 85.5, then you have to multiply with 2. I suppose this is correct. Okay. Now, when you multiply 85.5 into 2, what will you get over here? You will be getting 171 meter square. 171 meter square. Similarly, you are supposed to solve all 4. Okay. A matchbox is 4 cm long, 2.5 cm broad and 1.5 cm high. That means it is in the shape of a cuboid. Its outer sides are to be covered exactly with a craft paper. That is, if you have to cover this, suppose this is a matchbox, you have to cover it completely with a craft paper. So what we have to find? Total surface area. You write whatever is given. Total surface area is equal to, write the formula, 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Substitute the values. Make sure that you do the multiplications and then add, that is equal to 2 bracket. Okay, and then you multiply with the outer 2 and the unit will be centimeter square. Then you write the concluding statement. Therefore, so much square centimeter craft paper will be required. Question number 4. An open box of length, breadth, height should be made for use of trolley for carrying garden waste. How much sheet metal will be required to make this box? The inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted with rust proof paint at a rate of 150 rupees per square meter. How much will it cost to paint the box? Now first you should understand you are creating an open box. Suppose this is a cuboid, right? This is an open box. When we make it an open box, this entire area is open. So this is not there. This surface is not there. Now we know that cuboid got how many surfaces? 6 surfaces. But for an open box, this has to be open. So this top surface is not there. So how many surfaces are there? There are 5 surfaces. 1. Now when we have the formula for 6 surfaces. The total surface area for cuboid is for 6 surfaces. But here we have to remove 1 surface. So from this total surface, I suppose you understood because it is an open box. In an open box, this surface is not there. Then only it will remain as open. Okay. So there are only 5 surfaces. So we find the area. Okay. And then we minus 1 surface. Now when you surface 1 surface, which surface we are taking out? Topmost. So that is length and breadth. So 1 length and breadth, that is of 1 rectangle, we are minusing. So we get the surface area of the open box. Now once we get the surface area of the open box, they say we have to paint it. Then you multiply with whatever cost is given to us, that will be it. Okay. So what we have over here, since it is an open box, it got only 5 surfaces. And we have the formula for 6 surfaces, that is of a cuboid. So from the 6 surfaces, we have to remove 1 surface. Then only we get. And we know that surfaces are in the form of a rectangle. Okay. So let us solve it. Okay. This is a box, open box. Okay. Now we are talking about open box. So you can see this surface is not there for an open box. If this surface is not there, then how many surfaces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. This is open. Okay. Now first we find the surface area. We find the total surface area, that is of 6 surfaces, and we minus this surface. So we written over here, length is given, breadth is given, height is given. What is the surface area of open box? We are talking about an open box. So the total surface area minus area of the top surface. Okay. Now what is the surface area of a cuboid? 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH minus area of the top surface. 1 surface is of the rectangle. So what is the area of it? Length into breadth. Substitute the values and you will be getting, first you multiply 1.5 into 1, 1.5 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1.5 into 1, 1.5. Bracket 1.5 into 1, 1.5. Now when you add all this, 1.5 plus 1 plus 1.5, you will be getting 4. So 2 into 4 minus 1.4. That is 8 minus 1.4, you will be getting 6.5 meters square. Now this is the surface area of the open box. Surface area. Now what are we asking about? What is the question given to you? They want to paint the inside and outside. Now when you look at this open box, okay, when you look at this open box, you want to paint this inside, also this outside. Now inside when you paint, you already got the surface area for it. Also outside also you want to paint. Okay, not only inside but outside. So when you calculate the cost, we have to calculate the outer surface plus inner surface. Outer area plus inner area. Areas are same. Okay. So what will be the total cost? Total cost will be inner surface area plus outer area. How much it is? 6.5 plus 6.5 multiplied by the cost. What is the cost given to you over there? 150 per square meter. Okay. Now 6.5 into 6.5. 6.5 plus 6.5, you will have 30 into 150. Check out how much that many rupees it will be. So you write the concluding statement. Therefore, cost of painting an open box is rupees so much. Okay. With that, we have completed this chapter. Please learn the formulas well. Everything depends upon the formula. And these formulas are used in the higher classes, so you cannot make yourself confused with it. So you have to learn it thoroughly. Okay.